Hi everybody and welcome back to another crochet tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to make small grannies. Are very cute, are perfect and are the ideal grannies in order to make a baby blanket. The colors are neutral. These are the petals of a flower. I've made one colorful, not bad, but not for babies. So these small grannies are part of a biggest project, but are so cute. I like them so much, so I couldn't resist and show them to you. I'm going to start by making the magic ring, and in this case I'm going to make the double magic ring. So in order to make the double magic ring, we place the yarn this way and then we twist it around our finger. Then we insert our crochet hook, we grab the third yarn here and we pass it through the other two loops and we make a chain as usual. Now we have to pass the crochet hook and take all three pieces of yarn here. So I'm going to make 11 double crochet stitches, and in order to make a double crochet we need 3 chains. So I chain 3, and in order to make the double crochet stitch we yarn once, we insert the hook into the ring, we grab the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pass the yarn through 2 loops, and yarn over and pass the yarn through the other 2 loops. So we are going to make 11 double crochet, 1 just made, 2, 3, 10 and 11. Now we're going to make a slip knot in the third chain, and we close the ring. Next round is made of puff stitches. Puff stitches are made by double crochet stitches, so we have to chain 3 and now we're going to make the puff stitch. So we yarn over and insert the hook into the same place where we've made the 3 chains, and then twice, and then yarn over 3 times, and we yarn over 3 times here because we have already the chain 3 at the beginning, so it counts as a double crochet. Now we yarn over and pass the yarn through all loops and we chain 2. In each stitch we're going to make a puff stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch once, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch twice, yarn over, insert the hook 3 times, and insert the yarn over and insert the hook 4 times into the same stitch. I repeat, and then yarn over and pass the yarn through all loops and chain 2. Now, as I've said, here we've made 3 double crochet because we have the chain 3 at the beginning that counts as a double crochet, but from now on we're going to insert our hook 4 times in each stitch. And now we're going to make in each stitch a puff stitch. So I repeat, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch 4 times, yarn over, and yarn over 3 times, and yarn over 4 times. Now we keep all these loops on the hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through all loops and chain 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch and keep the loops on the hook, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch and keep the stitch on the hook, yarn over 3 times and keep the stitch on the hook, yarn over 4 times and keep the loop on the hook. Now yarn over and pass the yarn through all loops and chain 2. Yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch 4 times, yarn over and insert the hook into the same stitch 3 and 4 times. Then yarn over and pass the yarn through all loops and chain 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch 4 times and keep the loops on the hook 2 and keep the loops on the hook 3 times and keep the loops on the hook and 4 times and keep the loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pass the hook through all loops and chain, and we're going to make a puff stitch in each stitch throughout the row. And the last puff stitch and we finish the round by making a slip knot here in the third chain of the 3 we've made at the beginning of the round. And now we are going to make the frame. So And in order to make regular corners, I make a slip stitch in the next stitch here, so I can be here exactly at the space. So we are going to make the frame here around the flower, and we are going to double crochet, so I need 3 chains, each in 3, and now I'm going to make 2 double crochet here in the same space, and I'm going to make 3 double crochet here and 3 double crochet here, and as I am at the corner, I'm going to make 3 double crochet here, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet in the same space. And now I'm going to make 3 double crochet here and 3 double crochet here in these 2 spaces. 3 double crochet here, and 3 double crochet here, and as I am in the corner, I'm going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in the same space, and now I'm going to make 3 double crochet here and 3 double crochet here, and 3 double crochet here, and at the end of the round, so chain 2, because this is the last corner, and that's it. As you can see, it's very cute. It's the ideal pattern for baby blankets. I love it. We stretch a little bit here and we close the center of the ring. I hope I've been useful. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.